Today we're making crispy, glossy orange chicken.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
You'll need boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Trim any fat, rinse and pat dry. Then cut into bite-sized pieces about 1 inch thick, not too big.
Set aside while we mix our batter, that crisp coating.
In a large bowl, combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup cornstarch, 2 teaspoons salt, and 1 teaspoon white pepper. Whisk until evenly mixed. Now pour in 1 egg, 2 cups of water, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix well until the batter is smooth and a little thick like pancake batter. Add the chicken in the batter until every piece is fully coated.
Cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes to help the coating cling and crisp later.
For the sauce, zest 1 orange and reserve 1 teaspoon for the glaze later. Juice the orange to yield 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice. Mince 3 garlic cloves. Peel and finely mince 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Let's make our sauce. In a wok or large pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil plus 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Add 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, then add 2 teaspoons of chili sauce or 1 for mild and swirl to bloom flavor. Add the 3 minced garlic cloves and 1 teaspoon ginger. Saute about 30 seconds until fragrant. Stir in 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon white sugar. Add 1/4 cup of orange juice and 1 teaspoon of orange zest. 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon low sodium soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, then mix well. Make a slurry with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. Whisk until smooth, then pour into the sauce. Don't add the cornstarch directly into the pan. Mix it in water first for a smooth sauce. Now add 1 cup of chicken broth to your mix. Mix and simmer until thick and glossy for about 2 minutes. Then remove from heat for now. Now let's work on our chicken. In a separate pot, heat peanut or vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius.
To check if the oil is hot enough, add a tiny bit of flour. If it sizzles without burning quickly, it's ready.
Add chicken a little at a time. Make sure not to overcrowd or they'll stick together. Cook in batches if you need to. Cook for 6 minutes per batch until golden and cooked through. Then drain on a rack. Now toss the hot crispy chicken in the prepared glaze until evenly coated. You can add a few pieces at a time to coat evenly. Turn heat to low if it needs warming up. I like to top my orange chicken with sesame seeds and green onions. This is optional. You can serve with white or fried rice or chow mein. Now take a peek at that glossy coating, crispy on the outside, juicy in the inside, with that bright citrus kick in every bite.
Why get takeout when you can make it right at home? Tell me in the comments, do you prefer extra glaze or a lighter coat? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!